Good morning student. I am Amandeep Kaur. I am going to teach 5th class SST subject chapter number 3rd and chapter name is Evolution of Transport. Transport is a mean by which people and goods move from one place to another. In the past time, people used domestic animals, horse and bullock for moving from one place to another. But with the passage of time and with the development of modern technology, new development were invented in the field of transport. So there are 4 means of transport. First one, roadways, second, railways, airways and waterways. So let's start with the roadways. Roadways are most important means of transport that helps to move from one place to another. Roads are of 2 types, metalled roads and unmetalled roads. Metalled roads and unmetalled roads. Metal roads also known as pakka roads. Metal roads also known as pakka roads, that is made of concretes and charcoal. And unmetalled roads also known as a kacha road, that is made of sand, mud, etc. Raised roads are called flyovers and underground roads are known as underpath or subpaths. So next is a railway. Railway is the fastest means of transport by which peoples and goods can travel from one place to another together. Indian railway system is the largest system in the Asia and 4th largest system in the world. Rajdhani and Shatabdi are fastest trains of India. Metro rail is an underground railway system that playing very important role nowadays in the big cities and especially in the metropolitan cities, and it helps in reducing the problem of traffic. And the next one is waterways. Waterway is the cheapest means of transport that carrying the heavy and bulky goods from the one country to another country. There are 2 kinds of waterways. Types of waterways. Inland waterways, and sea routes. Inland water routes helps for moving within the country, and sea routes helps to travel and carrying the goods from one country to another country. For example, Ganga Brahmaputra, river and Panama sea routes that connects the different countries with each other. And the next one is airways. Airways is a very fast means of transport, and it is mostly in the remote area where there are no roads and a railway system is available. Helicopters also are type of airways, and they are useful in the time of natural calamities for protecting the peoples and helping the peoples for distributing the food in the remote area. So these are 4 means of transport: roadways, railways, airways and waterways. I hope that chapter will be clear to all of you. Thanks and have a nice day.